World news today, officials decree that rapper Brad Jordan, alias Scarface, must be stopped. After being monitored by Secret Service agents for 2 years, evidence leads tobacco and firearms officials to believe that his literally dope lyrics promote drug usage and distribution, degrade women, influence gambling, promote and teach violence, and more importantly, it's influencing our minors and destroying our communities. Officials say he's a lord of underground rap. Him and his music must be stopped.
What if I die tonight while I'm sleeping? Dreaming the devil's creeping, trying to take my soul from me. Smoking that dip, living my life inside a trip, now I'm on it bad. Falling way out of tracks, I gotta get my stacks. I'm back on the block with my niggas thuggin'. It ain't about nothing but the money while you niggas running. My stomach hungry, I've been starving since my early age. When I write my raps, nigga, I'ma write some game. It ain't no thing if you fuck niggas don't feel me, man. I'ma stay in it to win it, cause the sky's the limit. Stay lighting up that Keisha, man, you gotta feel me. Everything that I lost, I'ma get it back. These niggas mad cause they wanna see me fall out bad, but they just trash cause they know I'ma get on track. Get in my way and I'ma hit you with that 12 gauge. Like I said, the devil been staring me inside my face. Get in my way and I'ma hit you with that 12 gauge. Like I said, the devil been staring inside my face, nigga.
You know you can't believe that song, that brother's wrong. Gangsters don't live that long. You know you can't believe that song.